My name's Ben Rolliston. I'm the Fabrication Manager here at Saunders and Ward. Saunders and Ward is a general engineering business. We have fabrication and machining workshops. I'm responsible for the workplace health and safety at Saunders and Ward in the fabrication shop behind us. For us, the safety circle is a culture. It's a culture that we needed to implement in terms of workplace health and safety. We've gone from having a very school safety culture, a lot of old school tradesmen where safety wasn't a big concern, and SafetyCircle for us has brought us from back then to the modern day thinking of safety is everyone's responsibility. We've spent a lot of time on our policies and our procedures, and we're pretty much on top of those things, but we still had a cultural difference. We didn't have the culture of safety thinking. We had a little bit of exposure to the SafetyCircle through the Spreading Triton project upgrade, where some of our employees working on the site actually undertook the course, which gave us a good insight into the SafetyCircle, and it certainly gave us some interest to look into it further. The training aspect was very good. It was tailored, one, to our particular industry and to our particular company. The training side was conducted very well. It's not like a traditional workplace health and safety course where you're probably being spoken to. You engage within the course. It breaks it down to very relevant to our particular industry and our particular workplace. Identifying that every individual is responsible for their workplace health and safety. It's not just a directive from maintenance. It gives some good tools to skills throughout life. You can adapt these skills to your at-home life as well as in the workplace. We've integrated quite a few aspects of the SafetyCircle into our normal everyday routines. Morning toolboxes is one particular thing. We always reference about what we can do to stay inside the circle today. What happened yesterday? Was there anything that went outside of the circle? We reference in our hazard reporting. The simple am I inside the circle now is adapted into most trains of thought. Safety is now at the forefront of most people's mind, of all people's mind. We've seen reduced incidents, which is the main objective. We've noticed that people do now honestly believe that the zero injuries is possible. Before SafetyCircle, it was always considered that injuries are going to happen. Now that we've gone through the training, we have a different thinking, and we're striving every day to know injuries. Now, safety is at the forefront of our minds and the number one priority. We're seeing that in the number of injuries, reduced injuries, number of incidents, the amount of hazard reporting that we're seeing, the discussions, getting a lot more feedback from you guys. So SafetyCircle gave us the tools to continue on with our safety culture and continue to build on.